What's up, everybody? It's your man Gilligan, and I thought today I would bring you guys a little outdoor adventure. I haven't gone outside like this in a long ass time, but I'm gonna be walking out into the frozen wetlands, and it probably doesn't look that familiar to you, but guys, right there is where I had my shelter. That is where I built the shelter. We'll go over there, we'll check it out. But first off, I want to look at these little prints, because whatever this thing was. Alright, I'm going to switch it around, hold on. Crazy. And they seem to be going this way. Yeah, we're just gonna go for a little walk, guys. So hope you guys enjoy. There's definitely something happening right here. I don't know if I should walk over on this spot. Ooh. Oh shit. Shit's cracking. Oh, shit's cracking. Shit's cracking. Oh. My fucking foot went in there. Oh yeah, there's definitely been some activity here. Look at all that. Goes straight up that way. But yeah, guys, this is where the shelter was. This is it, guys. This is where my shelter was. I took it down, but there's still some stuff here. Oh, there's more trails over here. It's crazy. Dude, I miss coming out here. I wonder if I can even walk on this. Oh yeah, these tracks are D's. Yo, check this out. Look at those tracks. Like, what can those tracks be? Huh? And there's some tracks going that way. These tracks going that way. You got tracks over there. Yo, it's so fun to be out here, guys. It really is. Oh, I haven't been out here in a minute. It's been so long. Damn. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna take this light off because clearly it doesn't want to stay on. Fuck. See, I had a light. But off you go. Into the pocket. I don't know. We're gonna go. We're gonna go walk in there, guys. Tracks going this way. I'm just curious to see like what kind of animal it is. I wonder if I'll run into it. Like, damn, this thing's just zigzagging through all this shit. Yeah, I'm not walking. Fuck it, do that. Should I? Fuck it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not walking through that. Fuck that shit. I'll find another way. It ain't the first trail. It ain't the last trail I'll find. Another one right there. Don't worry, guys. Your man Gilligan isn't just walking out here with nothing. You know, I do got my knife just in case something fucking happens. If I run into like a puma, it's crazy. Fucking New York style. Here they got like a little spot right here now. Woo. Here we go. Got my pathway right in here. Yeah, I bring some tarps out here and I'll fucking set up. No cap. Wait this down. Alright. So I cleared me a path straight in. I got this little section right here. It's on top of some ice. But that's okay. That's okay. Yes, sir. This path. I'm gonna go get my tarps. I'm gonna set up right here, dude. Facts. This is gonna be lit. Yeah, we'll see what we can find out here today. But for now, I'll be right back because I'm gonna head back, grab some stuff, come back out here, and I'll see you guys real soon.